On a windy day, Bob Grandpa Roots, 14 inches by 18 inches oil on canvas board. The wild westerly wind that devastated this peaceful bucolic landscape was strong enough to denude mature trees, grossly distort fair weather clouds, rend the fur from a bison, bend a wrought iron weather vane, and induce panic in a basset hound whose ears and tongue point due east. This two-dimensional American landscape is reminiscent of the work of the noted regionalist painter, muralist, and curmudgeon Thomas Hart Benton, as well as naive folk artist Anna Mary Robertson Grandma Moses, both of whose paintings were acclaimed as a welcome alternative to mid-20th century abstract expressionism. Grandpa Roots assumed his art name in homage to Grandma Moses. Like her, he began painting late in life. Museum curators find his work to be less cluttered, more fun, and infinitely more affordable.